Are you wanting to bring a bit more balance into your life? Do you want to practice a bit of mindfulness? Then Black Tourmaline could be a really great crystal to work with. You can see by the way that Black Tourmaline forms, it has this kind of ebb and flow energy as it moves energy backwards and forwards. So this can be a really great one for helping to balance you. Now, if you're wanting to kind of feel, I guess, less disturbed by the day, or things have been a little bit overwhelming recently, placing a piece of this on the ground and then putting your feet on the ground, ideally barefoot on real raw earth, can be a really nice way of grounding yourself and helping to let go of that energy. However, Black Tourmaline works in another great way as well. It's really great for balancing the hemispheres of the brain. So if you tend to be a bit artistic and creative, but not very good at being logical, or if you tend to be very logical, but you're not very creative, then actually meditating with Black Tourmaline above the head, on the forehead, can actually balance two hemispheres of the brain. Now, when we balance our intuition, our creative and our yin side with our more objective, logical, intellectual yang side, then we actually find inner harmony within ourselves. This can help us to tackle issues that may seem unmanageable just without a lack of creativity or without a lack of logic, and can really help you to solve things a little bit more. Now, there is one thing that we should protect more than anything else in our lives, and that's our inner peace. Now, no one can impact your inner peace if you don't allow them to. And Black Tourmaline's a really good one that energetically helps to shed and push away anything that threatens that as well. So if you want to practice a bit of mindfulness and being a bit more aware and bringing that calmness in, try having Black Tourmaline around. Greeting it around the home can be helpful. You may want to put it in the bedroom if you've found that the day is stressful and you haven't been able to let it go once the sun's set, or wearing it or carrying it can also help as well. But I'd really encourage you to find some special time, maybe out in nature with your Black Tourmaline, and just see if you can be a bit more mindful. You know, it's really interesting these days, and as soon as we have a spare moment or two, what do? We grab our phone and we allow ourselves to be entertained or informed or something on social media or some other platform. In the old days, oh God, I'm sounding old now, but in the old days, we would just kind of, if we were on the bus and we had nothing to do, we just listen to music and stare out the window. Try a bit of mindfulness with your Black Tourmaline, just sitting there doing nothing and just seeing what comes. You know, I really love the analogy that our mind is like a glass of muddy water and we're constantly moving it throughout the day. And when we get a moment to ourselves, we just jump on social media and keep stirring it up a little bit more. Sit with your Black Tourmaline and allow the mind to be still and allow that muddiness all to sink to the ground or to the bottom of the glass so you get that clear water and that clarity of mind. And Black Tourmaline can really help to facilitate that as well. I'd love to know, how do you feel when you've got Black Tourmaline around? Do you feel more mindful? Do you feel your inner peace being protected? Do you feel more grounded? It's really great crystal for helping with all of those things. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I'm Adam Barralet. Blessed be.